Hi everyone, I'm Ronalyn Tarok from BSHM2Q and welcome to my vlog. Today, I'll be sharing how globalization affects my life. Before we start, let me know first what is globalization. For me, globalization means that different countries are connected through technology, trade, communication, and culture. Because of this, people can easily share ideas, products, and information around the world.
Ano nga ba ang positive and negative effects ng globalization sa buhay ko? One positive effects of globalization in my life is that I can easily access products and entertainment from other countries. Because of globalization, I can easily buy products from other countries like China, Taiwan, and Korea. Also enjoy different kinds of entertainment through the internet. Through using online shopping like Shopee, TikTok Shop, Lazada, and Shein, madali na akong makabili ng damit, school supplies, makeups, and skincare. It is also easier to find the product that are not available in local stores. Also, the Spotify, madali na makinig ng music anytime and anywhere. One of the most I always listen to is All Too Well by Taylor Swift. Since her songs are available on Spotify, I can enjoy her music without living in the Philippines. Music also helps me relax and keeps me motivated habang gumagawa ako ng schoolworks at household chores. Now, let's move on the negative effects of globalization. One negative effects in my life is that it's easier to spend too much money because of online shopping. Minsan napapabili ako ng mga bagay na hindi ko naman talaga kailangan. Especially kapag may sale, discount or free shipping. Napapa-check out talaga tayo. As a online shopping girly, madalas akong nabubutol. Because of this, I do not have enough money to buy for other important things. Another negative effect is I spend too much time listening to music and using my phone. Sometimes I get distracted and hindi ko agad natatapos ang mga gawain ko. That is why I need to manage my time and money wisely.
To answer how should globalization be managed for it to be more beneficial than harmful? For me, globalization should be managed by being responsible in the way we use technology and spend our money. Pag-isipan muna natin ng mabuti bago bumili ng mga bagay online kung kailangan ba talaga natin ang mga ito. We should also manage our time wisely and avoid spending too much time on phones or social media. Mahalaga rin na suportahan natin ang mga local products while enjoying products and entertainment from other countries. If we use globalization responsibly, we can get benefits while avoiding its negative effects. And that's for all my vlog. Thank you so much for watching.